Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to your favorite English learning place. Welcome to Dr. Manha English channel. I am Manha, and I am very happy you are here today.
And I am Umair. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for giving your time to improve your English.
In this channel, we speak in slow English. We speak in simple English. We use clear words so that everyone can understand.
Today's topic is very interesting and very helpful.
Today, we will talk about a day with Emma's life.
We will describe her full day, from morning to night, in easy English.
While you listen, try to imagine the scenes. Try to picture Emma's life in your mind.
This will improve your listening. This will improve your vocabulary. This will help you think in English.
So relax, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's start today's beautiful episode.
Manha, what time does Emma wake up?
Emma wakes up at 6:30 in the morning.
Does she wake up quickly?
Not always. Sometimes she feels sleepy. Sometimes she wants to sleep more.
That is normal.
Yes, but Emma is a disciplined girl. She does not use her phone in the morning. She does not waste time.
What does she do first?
First, she sits on her bed and says, "Good morning." She smiles.
That is positive thinking.
Yes, then she drinks a glass of water. After that, she goes to the bathroom and brushes her teeth.
Simple daily routine.
Yes, while brushing her teeth, she thinks in English.
Really?
Yes, she says in her mind, "I am brushing my teeth. I am starting my day. Today will be a good day."
This is a very good habit for English learners.
After getting ready, Emma does light exercise.
What kind of exercise?
She stretches her body. She moves her arms. She does small exercises for 10 minutes.
Does she listen to music?
No, she listens to an English podcast.
That is very smart.
Yes, she listens carefully. She repeats some sentences.
So she practices listening and speaking at the same time.
Exactly.
What does Emma eat for breakfast?
She eats simple food. Sometimes she eats eggs and bread. Sometimes she eats fruit.
Does she watch TV while eating?
No, she tries to avoid too much screen time in the morning.
That is good for focus.
Yes, while eating, she reads a small English paragraph.
What kind of paragraph?
Maybe a short story. Maybe a motivational quote. Maybe a short article.
So her morning is productive.
Very productive.
Is Emma a student?
Yes, Emma is a university student.
What does she study?
She studies business management.
Interesting.
She leaves her house at 8 a.m. She takes a bus.
What does she do in the bus?
Sometimes she looks outside the window. Sometimes she listens to English conversations.
Does she speak in English with her friends?
Yes, she and her best friend try to speak in English for practice.
Do they make mistakes?
Yes, many mistakes.
Do they stop?
No, they laugh and continue.
What happens in her class?
She listens carefully to her teacher. She takes notes.
Does she ask questions?
Yes, even if she feels shy, she raises her hand and asks simple questions.
That builds confidence.
Yes, confidence grows slowly.
What does Emma do at lunch?
She sits with her friends.
Do they speak English?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But Emma tries to say at least 5 English sentences daily.
Can you give example sentences?
Sure. This food is delicious. I have a class after this. I need to complete my assignment. What are your plans? Let's meet later.
Simple but powerful.
After university, Emma goes home.
Does she feel tired?
Yes, but she rests for 30 minutes only.
What does she do after resting?
She studies for 2 hours.
Does she study English daily?
Yes, even if only for 20 minutes.
What does she do in those 20 minutes?
She reads aloud, she practices pronunciation, she learns new phrases.
Does Emma practice speaking at home?
Yes, every evening she stands in front of a mirror.
What does she say?
She talks about her day. Example, today I went to university. I learned about marketing. I felt happy in the class. I want to improve more.
That is very helpful for fluency.
Yes, speaking daily removes fear.
What does Emma do at night?
She eats dinner with her family.
Does she use English with her family?
Sometimes she teaches her younger brother simple English words.
That is beautiful.
Teaching others improves your own English.
Very true.
Before sleeping, Emma writes 5 sentences in English in her diary.
Can you give examples?
Yes, today was a good day. I improved my speaking. I learned 2 new words. I feel proud of myself. Tomorrow, I will work harder.
Manha, what can students learn from Emma's life?
Many things. Start your day positively. Practice a little English daily. Speak without fear. Listen carefully. Stay consistent.
Emma is not perfect,
Yes, she makes mistakes.
but she does not stop.
That is why she improves. And dear students, Emma is a normal girl.
She is not a genius,
She is not special.
but she has discipline,
She has consistency.
and she has a strong desire to improve.
You can also live like Emma.
You can also improve daily,
So, dear listeners, today we spent a full day with Emma.
from morning to night.
We learned new vocabulary.
We improved listening skills.
We understood how daily routine can help English improvement.
Now the question is, what about you?
Will you start tomorrow morning?
Will you speak in front of a mirror?
Will you write 5 sentences daily?
We believe in you.
You are stronger than your fear.
You are smarter than you think.
If today's podcast helped you,
Please like this video.
share it with your friends and family.
Subscribe to Dr. Manha English channel.
And comment below, I will practice daily. In our next episode, we will talk about how to speak English confidently in public.
Do not miss it. Keep learning, keep practicing.
And we will meet you in the next beautiful episode of Dr. Manha English Channel. Allah Hafiz, and take care.
See you soon. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.